With the pistons, you replace O-rings. With the diaphragm valves, you replace the diaphragm. But they do require that. Don't think you're going to get away from it from any of them. And all of them can stick open and dump tons of water down the drain. So with that said, I want to change a little bit and start talking about the new flush rates for the new toilets that are coming on the market. Right now, the MAP testing has tested over 400 combinations of toilet and flush valve type toilets to prove that they all meet the standard. You're going to learn more about toiletology here than you want, of being able to flush 350 grams of their synthetic waste plus paper. And just so you wanted to know, the 95th percentile of young males is 250 grams. So this is more than almost anybody could ever produce. And to pass their test, you have to meet the 350 standard. That is what the EPA is using for their testing of their toilets. And as you can see, well over 96% of all the 1.28 gallon flush toilets flush more than 800 grams. One person described that to me as it would pass a minibus. So with that said, you're finding that a lot of places are going to the 1.28 gallon flush toilets, both for the tank type toilets and for the flush valve type toilets. This is a new world for us, and the 1.28 would also get you the same efficiency as you would with the dual flush type toilet, when we have both for liquid and the solid waste. Now, one question that always comes up, well, are these going to plug more than the others? There is a consortium of, as you can see there, about everybody involved in the plumbing industry here. These things have been run through the testing procedures as much as you could ever hope for. And the bottom line is if your plumbing is working well with 1.6, it will work just fine with 1.28. If it isn't working well with 1.6s, it's probably because there is a obstruction, or you have slopes in your lines that run uphill, and you will have, if you have problems there, you'll have problems with these too. It's not the toilet, it's the line carry. So for new construction, for any of the high-rise type buildings or anything like this, or just regular use within your facilities, 1.28 will work. The only one restriction would be if you have the warehouse with the 300-foot run to a toilet way in the back, then like they say with the 1.6s, you have some line carry issues there perhaps, but for the 99% of applications, the 1.28 will work. And it saves you some money, especially when you're replacing existing